Hello, chat. Hello, everyone, and welcome on my stream. So let's begin. We are already in a trade. Let's begin. We are already, and I am not so hopeful about this trade because the market is respecting this inversion fair value gap very neatly. And I took a trade with this breaker. I have lost like a lot of trades today. Lot of trades. All your winning trades, but none of them reached my level. That's a breaker. I hope we get higher prices. Market opens in 15 minutes and I want to see how the market will behave when it opens, so I don't want to get stopped out before that. This is going to be last trade on this account and then I will trade on the other account, because after this trade's loss I won't be able to take any more trades. So if anyone of you want to copy this trade, they can copy with a minimum risk management. I want to see a body candle close above this fair value gap. Only that's the only way we can go towards the higher prices, or we can just reject to the lower side. As you can see, we have made a lot of liquidities while coming up here. This trade could have been the trade that I have won, but on my EMT5 the market did not reach up to here. That's why I was not filled in this trade. And then after that I took many trades here, got stopped out. Then I took a sell here. Again I got stopped out and break even. Now again I have flipped my bias to the bullish side, because I can see the market is totally bullish and it is trying to go towards its opening price of the day. So I just took along with a breaker which was formed during this price run, and as you can see I'm in that breaker trade right now. Okay, let's start the music as always. Music, here it is. The market is not closing above the fair value gap, the invincible inversion fair value gap. As you can see here, the market again did not close above the inversion fair value gap, and that's a bad sign. I was hoping for a short here, brothers, but I did not get a body candle close, so I did not take the short. Instead I took a short here just after this body candle close. With this candle I was filled in and I got stopped out again with this candle. Actually I raised my SL back in the losses because I thought this breaker will drive the prices lower after the price rejected from this inversion fair value gap, but it went straight to the inversion fair value gap again and I got stopped out. So right now I am in longs with this breaker. This green candle is the breaker candle, and as you can see it is driving the prices higher. I am just waiting for a body candle closure of this inversion fair value gap so I can trail my stop loss in break even. Our exit is all the way to 210, that is 210 points on Nasdaq. Actually, I'm in a trade as well. Let me show you. Here I am. It is not any PropFirm or live account. It is a competition account. The trading view leap competition. I have taken the same trade here as well. If I win this trade, I might get placed in the winners. Let me know guys, did you take any trades today? The market is coming down towards our stop loss. Let me know if you are red or green from the poll in the comments. Now that's a bad candle. I just hope we don't get a body candle closer below this, or else I will manually get out. I hope I get the time to manually get out of this trade. Financial juice. The market can fall very sharply from here. Very sharply. I really don't want to get out of this trade because my breaker is still valid. Okay, so let's stay in this trade, and whatever the outcome is, I will take it to the next day. If we hit the TP, we get funded. If we hit stop loss, we trade the next day, and then we will see what happens. Let's look at this. We have another breaker here. That's a matter of concern. We are tangled in a situation where we have breakers from both the sides. So we get stopped out.
Stop before you buy this. This exact product could be cheaper on another store. And unless you compare
It's all about the community, man.
Nobody's.
Whatever good we can do or bring some fun back and share with
We hit stop loss for the day
people be stressed
for
out
this
and
account.
stuff, so you want to try and uplift as much as we can, you know what I'm saying? It's really just like for the people, for the people, for the people.
Maybe any hope? Is there any hope? Let's see.
It's really just like
If we close above the midpoint of this breaker, then there is a hope. Otherwise, there is no hope.
really just
Actually, there is no hope. Believe me. But I will still hold it.
you know what I'm saying?
It's 4 minutes to the market open.
Yes, sir. It needs a lot.
We closed just a little below the midpoint of the breaker, and that is enough for the market to drive it to the lower side.
It's all about the community, man. The unity and the people here, man.
We are being saved by just one tick.
Some fun back and share with the people, People be stressed out, so you want to
Aggressive candles coming down.
you know what I'm saying? It's really just like for the people, for the people, for the people, for the people, for the people.
Last 3 minutes, and we are out. Okay. We will trade another account. No worries. That's a stop loss. No trades for the day. So this inversion fair value gap did work. Now we have to wait for an opportunity to get in.
Yes, sir.
The wave breaker has been invalidated.
It needs a lot.
The market opens in 2 minutes, and we will have our trade then. Actually, we have an conversion fair value gap here as well for the bullish side. IFBG. Maybe we can use this to go higher, but let's mark up some liquidities before we decide anything for the day. We have this liquidity on the daily time frame. We have a lot of liquidities on the buy side, and I think a long could be a good position right now, but there is one major sell side that can pull the prices towards the downside. Well, let's go for longs. Here, one and only trade that I'm going to take. 1:9. The market has opened. Now let's see how it will behave. Whether it will come down towards our level. Okay, I will close the trade manually when it hits the TP on the trading view. We are going to get a fill very soon as the market is trying to get to the lower side. Mahi Tech, hello Mahi Tech, welcome on the stream.
With your arms around my
So 67% of the people are in the reds today. Any giveaways? If you want me to do giveaways, I will need 50 likes. Then I can do a 10k account giveaway.
arms around my neck. I suffocate with your arm my neck.
So the market did not came to our entry. Damn. Market still pushing lower. We have hit the entry. Now let's see how the market will behave after this. This trade is the last trade that I will take. And after that there will be only tape reading. That's a good reaction, but will we, the question is, are we going to continue this? Oh, I'm on mobile data. I need to stop the Wi-Fi. Damn, what happened? Market still trying to push to the lower side. I know the market will go lower, and that is for sure, but it's just that I want the market to go over before it comes down. The market is pushing lower with more force than it is trying to go to the upside. Maybe I will close this trade. Should I? Let it. I will just leave the phone. We are still inside the inversion fair value gap, and that's all that matters.
Clock on the wall keeps talking. Same three shows we run again. Phone face down on the table, but I still check it now and then. Every sound outside my window feels like you right at my door. I say I'm fine to all my friends though. They don't know what I'm waiting for. I'm still waiting for you. Lights on, heart open, cold, but the hope is golden. I'm still waiting for you. Same old song still humming. Every little sign feels like you're coming. Yeah, I'm waiting.
So the inversion fair value gap has been invalidated. So we will just take the loss.
Two spaces. You left your sweater in June. I clean the shelf with your faces. In that frame photo by my room. I keep your name off every sentence, but it leaves under my tongue. If this is love or just a habit, tell me
Yep, we are stopped out now.
I'm still waiting for you. Lights on,
Damn, man, damn. So it was a losing day for me. $129. Like, who takes commission on indices, man? This makes it worse. The commission on indices should be crime. Ah, yes, Jacob, it's nothing, bro. If you don't take losses, there won't be any wins. So we have taken out this liquidity, and this was the breaker that sent the prices higher here. Now the question is, will the market come to what is this minus FVG, minus IFVG? Maybe not.
आप एक टूथब्रश को बिली आइलिश के
Now just wait for the next opportunity. I still have enough room to take one more trade. Let's stop the music for now. Daily liquidity is going to be taken out as well. Here we are with daily time frame liquidity, and it is 3 points away. After that, we have liquidities here. These are the liquidities. I think the market will take out the next day. And this is the lowest liquidity I am thinking that the market can take this week or the coming week combined. But that liquidity and the sell side will be taken out. Oh. I was thinking of this, but I did not take the trade. Foolish of me. Mhm. Let's see if we can. Let me remove this one. This did not work at all. Let's see if we can get any breakers. We don't have any fair value gaps in this run. A breaker can be very, very beautiful for longs. Let's look at 50 minutes. Oh, I can't. There won't be anything on 50 minutes or 1 hour. Like it is the lowest after weeks. So there won't be any fair value gaps on 5 minutes or 15 minutes right now. If we want to look for any trades to the long side, we will have to look for anything above here, or else we would like to see a body candle close below this low, then a body candle close above this high. Otherwise the market can fall a lot, but I don't think the market should fall anymore. Let's look at 4-hour time frame. There we are. After this liquidity, this is the next liquidity, and we also have order blocks here. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, do we have anything here? Yep, there is a fair value gap here that we can use to project the prices. If the prices is going to push the market higher. There we are. Just watch. Just watch. Then I was only $50 away from my funded account. Here. Can you see this trade? The first trade was a winning trade. What happened was, as you can see, it took $15 in commission. No other platform takes commission on indices, but this platform, I had to $15 in commission, and to which I had to take another shot. This trade was also going to in a win, but then I got an impulse candle, that is this one, and that's why I got another loss. Then I kept on selling, trying to get commissions plus some profits, and it all ended in losses. That put me $337 in losses today. So I will have to make $350 more to get the funded account. And this is not a funded account, bro. This is still a evaluation. No, bro, there is no consistency rule. That's one good thing. But the bad thing is they have trailing drawdown. There is no consistency rule on funded stage. Yeah, bro, that is terrible. Very, very terrible. Let's see if we can get any reaction from this midpoint of this 1 hour fair value gap. I would like to see a candle close above the line. That's why I always go with for two-step challenges now with static drawdown. Yeah, bro, you are right. Two-step challenges are good. They have static drawdown. Only if I had sorted here with this breaker. This could have been a very big win.
So tonight, with this, what we're doing here, and all getting together, we have to realize that, well, this is special.
Come on, NQ. The reason I'm not going for sales is that I don't have any liquidity right now. The liquidity is here. I think the market can drop off here, down here. But I would like to see a body candle close below this fair value gap. Then only and only after that I will be bearish. Otherwise I am bullish still now. The summer market is acting like winter markets. In winter times you will see pairs come in the market and the market will do this kind of stuff. It will drop very sharply during the NY session or post NY session. Let's see if we invert this fair value gap. If we can invert this fair value gap, then we will have a big room to go towards the upside. Should we take a risk? Get along. Okay. We might invert this fair value gap because we are in a hourly fair value gap as well, and this fair value gap was not filled right at the I think quadrant level. Let me use my quadrants. Template quadrants. Yeah, exactly at the quadrant. Maybe it is using the octane right now. But I think the market can invert itself. But I will wait for a confirmation and only then I will take this trade. I know I said this is going to be my last trade, but I still have some room to take a trade. I mean take a loss. And I want to take my chance. The inversion is going to be valid after the closure of this candle. So let's get in. And I think this trade is going to be a great trade. But we have to wait until the candle closes. We need a close of this line. Only after that we can take a trade. Else there is no trade. Nah, this clearly did not invert the fair value gap. The fair value gap is not inverted right now. As you can see, the body candle close was not there. So what could be a possible trade? So if we can get a CISD below, we can target this liquidity.
I need a break.
अरे किधर है बॉस ढूंढ रहा तुझे
Why don't you like
Let's try something calm. This might be it. This might be the inversion fair value gap that we are all looking for. This might be it. Yeah, this one is the fair value gap that we are all looking for. If we go for 1:10, we can surely go for this risk to reward ratio. I'm sure that this is an inversion fair value gap because of the hourly fair value gap and nothing else. So we are lost. Well, that's the end of the day. Heavily down on both counts. No more accounts to trade. Let me close this one.